Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar remains to a bearish tone this morning after the decline overnight now takes out the support at 75.70. Earlier yesterday, the Australian dollar was dumped towards that level after the release of the Australian Q3 GDP data, which missed expectations. The Australian Q3 growth numbers showed that the economy expanded by 6% versus a 9% increase seen in Q2, and 7% was expected on the forecast. Measuring the quality of the technical indicators, we have a stochastic in play that's negative, and the histogram is also breaking down. I am viewing that the market will challenge the recent lows of 75.25.35, but we could start seeing some bids firm up from there, so do be on your guard if you are short, as we could see a short-term rebound. Any advances on the day should find resistance around 75.90. Well, to a surprise overnight, the dollar index did firm up and is now trading at 93.50. We still need to see a strong break there to get further momentum up towards 94.10. Now this in terms would see the euro take out the support of 117.60.65, which is expected from the fact that the MACD has crossed over the zero, supporting a further negative case along with the stochastic. Therefore, if we get a break of 117.60, then I'm looking down towards 116.90 with any advances on the day to find resistance around 118.60. To some disappointment, dollar yen has not come through to the upside as anticipated, and the reason behind that is that the resistance at 112.80.85 is clearly showing good supply. This pullback is only temporary. I'm looking to buy on dips, and towards 111.90 to 111.40 should draw demand and bounce from this region, and then I do expect to see further rally back up towards this target of 112.80.85 and then on towards 113.60. Well, the pound was weaker overnight, and purely on the back of the fact that the Brexit talks are now starting to heat up again. After hopes of a major announcement following a meeting between the Prime Minister in the UK and also the European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker, however, the expectations were left on hold, with the announcement failing to come out on December the 4th, may be extended now to December the 14th. The problem is, though, is the EU is willing to let the EU rules apply to Northern Ireland, but this small dupe party is keeping Theresa May's government afloat, is against those steps, and which could now put a bit of a problem to Theresa May's plan. So we could see a slightly heavier pound coming through the next 24 hours, and our break of 133.45 would give further scope to 132.60. Any advances looks for a cap around 134.80. Well, the gold is still holding above, or hovering should I say, the crucial support level of 1,258.60. It is viewed that we should get a rebound from there. We are oversold from an RSI point, but I would like to see the MACD firm up a little to get the move up towards the target of 72. Now this could extend up towards 78. In the event we do see a break of 58, then this would expose a target of 12.46. Well, silver is still struggling to regain any momentum. We are clearly oversold. And if you can see, when we got down to this point last time, which was back here, it bounced quite significantly. So I do expect to see the market hold at 15.85 and look for recovery to 16.15 and reassess from there. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market took out the uptrend of $56.90 overnight and clearly from the break plummeted, with the target now seen at 54.70. Now this could actually extend lower purely for the fact is that the indicators are very weak. Then we could see a move towards $52 a barrel. Any advances should find a cap now around 56.80 to 57.10. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of you.